So we're getting ready to do a ceramic paint coating on this new Tesla opti-coat Pro Plus. But before we do, we want to make sure the paint is as flawless as we can get it. And so we always do an inspection first. And as I walked around, this thing was in pretty good shape. It's got 21 miles on it, so it's pretty new. But we did notice a couple of factory flaws that are really noticeable in black. And I just wanted to take this chance to show you guys what we do here as far as correction before we put the opti-coat on. So see right here, see that ring? And then there's another one down here. Those are sanding marks from the factory where they've sanded out imperfections in the paint and then they didn't quite finish it well enough. On a white or silver car, you would never notice it. You'd have to look really hard. But on black, boy, it shows right up, doesn't it? So anyway, we're going to do some polishing on this guy and correct that out of there before we put this opti-coat Pro Plus on. Okay, we got these two spots taken care of. Then we're here and here. Got them corrected. Those factory sanding marks are gone. Now we can continue on with the paint correction on the rest of the vehicle and get it prepped for opti-coat Pro Plus.